Trump's tariffs are pushing America toward a recession. Goldman Sachs CEO David Solomon just dropped a bombshell warning that the chances of a U.S. economic downturn have increased following Trump's aggressive trade policies. Solomon didn't mince words on his earnings call, saying we're entering a markedly different operating environment with material risks to the U.S. and global economy. The uncertainty is making it impossible for businesses to plan ahead. Even though Trump recently announced a 90-day pause on some tariffs and excluded certain electronics from Chinese tariffs, Solomon says markets will remain volatile because how policy will evolve is still unknown. What's wild is that Goldman Sachs actually had its best ever quarter for equities trading, with record revenues up 27% to $4.2 billion. They're literally profiting from the market chaos Trump created. But Solomon warns this volatility could eventually hurt banks if it dampens appetite for loans and delays stock market listings. The most telling part, Solomon tried to be diplomatic by saying the administration's focus on trade barriers and strengthening the U.S. competitive position is commendable, but then immediately pointed out that few benefited more from the post-Second World War economic and financial order than the United States. The message is clear. Trump's tariffs might feel good as political theater, but they're creating real economic danger. When Goldman Sachs is worried, maybe we all should be too.